First time in Croatia? You must visit these places. Welcome to Hafid Tours and Travel. Now, if you're dreaming of a Croatian adventure, get ready to be swept off your feet. This country is bursting with charm, from its sun-drenched islands to its history-rich cities. Whether you're picturing yourself strolling ancient city walls, getting lost in cobblestone streets, or kicking back on pristine beaches, Croatia has it all. And trust me, it's even more stunning in person. In this video, we're diving into the must-sees for first-timers in Croatia. I'm talking about the places that'll make you fall head over heels for this Adriatic gem. So pack your bags, grab your sense of adventure, and let's get going. First up, we're whisked away to Dubrovnik, a city that needs no introduction. Perched on the Dalmatian coast, Dubrovnik is a vision straight out of a storybook. It's even earned a coveted spot on the UNESCO World Heritage List. Imagine strolling along the ancient city walls, the Adriatic Sea stretching out before you. These walls have witnessed history, from medieval times to the filming of Game of Thrones. Dubrovnik's old town is a treasure trove of stories waiting to be uncovered. Wind through narrow, cobbled streets revealing hidden courtyards and charming cafes. Picture yourself at a cliffside cafe, fresh seafood pasta before you, the sea breeze carrying the scent of salt and citrus. This is Dubrovnik, a feast for the senses. For Game of Thrones fans, Dubrovnik was the filming location for King's Landing. Remember that iconic walk of shame scene? You can retrace those steps and grab a selfie on the Jesuit staircase. As the sun dips below the horizon, make your way to the cable car. A ride to the top of Mount Surit is a must. The panoramic views from up there? Simply breathtaking. You'll see the entire old town bathed in the warm light of sunset. The Elafidi Islands sparkling in the distance. Trust me, it's a view you won't soon forget. Next we're off to Split, a city where the past and present dance together in perfect harmony. Now Split is a city that knows how to make an entrance. Forget hotels. In Split you can actually stay within the walls of a Roman emperor's palace. That's right folks, Diocletian's palace isn't just some historical relic tucked away behind ropes. It's the beating heart of the city, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that's as alive today as it was centuries ago. Imagine strolling through streets that have echoed with the footsteps of Roman emperors, their marble stones polished smooth by time. Pop into a cafe tucked into a nook of the palace, sip on some strong Croatian coffee, and just soak it all in. And keep an eye out for the sphinxes scattered throughout the palace. These ancient guardians add an extra layer of intrigue to this already fascinating place. But Split isn't just about ancient history. Step outside the palace walls and you'll find a vibrant modern city brimming with energy. Head down to the Riva, Split's bustling waterfront promenade. It's the perfect place to grab an ice cream, people watch, and soak up the lively atmosphere. As the sun begins to set, find a spot on the Riva and prepare to be dazzled. The sky erupts in a kaleidoscope of colors, painting the sea and the surrounding mountains in hues of orange, pink, and purple. And if you're looking for a taste of local life, wander through Split's bustling green market. Here you'll find stalls piled high with fresh produce, local cheeses, cured meats, and just about everything else under the Croatian sun. It's a feast for the senses, and a great place to pick up some souvenirs to take home. Just be sure to bargain like a local. And for all you history buffs, don't miss a visit to the Split Archaeological Museum. It's a treasure trove of artifacts from Split's long and storied past, with exhibits dating back to Roman times. While Croatia's famous spots are indeed breathtaking, last a lifetime. Get ready to be wowed by Mother Nature, because our next stop is Plitvice Lakes National Park, a place so stunning it feels like you've stepped into a fairy tale. Imagine a cascade of turquoise lakes, each one seemingly more vibrant than the last, interconnected by a series of waterfalls that thunder and roar with the force of nature. This is Plitvice Lakes, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and a testament to the raw beauty of the natural world. Get ready to be mesmerized by a symphony of colors: emerald green forests, sapphire blue lakes, and the silvery spray of countless waterfalls. Now, the best way to experience Plitvice is to lace up your hiking boots and hit the trails. Don't worry, there are trails for all fitness levels, from leisurely strolls to more challenging hikes. As you wander through this watery wonderland, you'll cross over wooden bridges that wind their way over the lakes, offering breathtaking views of the cascading waterfalls. And keep your eyes peeled for the local wildlife. Plitvice is home to a variety of creatures, including deer, bears, wolves, and over 120 species of birds. For a truly magical experience, hop aboard one of the electric boats that silently glide across the lakes. It's the perfect way to soak up the tranquility of this natural wonder and capture some incredible photos. Just be sure to have your camera ready. You won't want to miss a single moment of this natural masterpiece. And here's a little insider tip. Plitvice is even more enchanting in the off-season. The crowds are smaller, and the colors of the leaves in autumn are simply breathtaking. Just be sure to check the weather forecast before you go, as some trails may be closed due to snow or ice in the winter months. As you leave Plitvice, you'll carry with you a newfound appreciation for the power and beauty of the natural world. It's a place that will stay with you long after you've left. Get ready for some serious island time, because our next stop is Hvar, the sun-drenched darling of the Adriatic. With its sparkling turquoise waters, sun-kissed beaches, and vibrant nightlife, Hvar is where to go to soak up the good life. Imagine yourself lounging on a pristine beach, the warm sand between your toes, a gentle breeze whispering through the palm trees. That's the magic of Hvar. And with over 2,700 hours of sunshine per year, you're practically guaranteed perfect beach weather. Whether you're looking to swim, sunbathe, or try your hand at some water sports, Hvar has a beach for every taste. Speaking of beaches, Hvar is home to some of the most stunning stretches of coastline in all of Croatia. For a taste of the high life, head to Hula Hula Beach Bar. It's the place to see and be seen, with DJs spinning tunes, cocktails flowing, and stunning views of the Paklini Islands just offshore. And hey, if you're feeling adventurous, rent a scooter or a boat and explore the Paklini Islands. These tiny islands are dotted with secluded coves, perfect for a day of swimming, snorkeling, and soaking up the sun. As the sun begins to set, head back to Hvar town, the island's charming capital. Stroll through the picturesque harbor, lined with luxury yachts and traditional fishing boats bobbing gently in the water. Grab a seat at a waterfront cafe, order a glass of local wine, and watch as the sky explodes in a riot of colors. It's the perfect way to end a day in paradise. And if you're in the mood for a night out, Vartown won't disappoint. The town comes alive after dark, with bars and clubs pulsing with energy until the wee hours of the morning. Just be sure to pace yourself. You'll want to be well rested for another day of exploring this island paradise. Finally, we arrive in Rovinj, a hidden gem nestled on the Istrian Peninsula. With its pastel-colored houses, narrow cobblestone streets, and charming harbor, Rovinj is like a scene straight out of a fairy tale. Perched on a hill overlooking the Adriatic Sea, Rovinj is a photographer's dream. Every corner you turn reveals a new postcard-worthy view, from the colorful houses cascading down to the sea to the boats bobbing gently in the harbor. Start your exploration in Rovinj's old town, a labyrinth of narrow streets and alleys just begging to be explored. Get lost amidst the pastel-colored houses, each one seemingly more charming than the last. Pop into local boutiques and art galleries and be sure to sample some of the region's famous truffles. They're a culinary delicacy. For breathtaking views of the town and the surrounding coastline, climb the bell tower of the Church of St. Euphemia. This Baroque masterpiece dominates the Rovinj skyline and offers panoramic views that will take your breath away. And speaking of breathtaking views, don't miss the sunset from the rocks below the church. As the sun dips below the horizon, casting a golden glow over the town, you'll understand why Rovinj is considered one of the most romantic destinations in Croatia. For a taste of local life, head down to Rovinj's bustling harbor. Watch as fishermen unload their catch of the day, and browse the stalls selling fresh produce and local honey. And if you're feeling peckish, grab a seat at one of the many waterfront restaurants and indulge in some fresh seafood. As you savor your meal, with the gentle sea breeze in your hair and the sound of the waves lapping against the shore, you'll understand why Rovinj is a place that captures the heart and soul. It's a place where time seems to slow down, where the pace of life is relaxed and unhurried, and where you can simply be present in the moment. And isn't that what travel is all about? From the ancient walls of Dubrovnik to the sun-drenched beaches of Hvar, Croatia has something to offer every type of traveler. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or a little bit of both, you're sure to find it in this Adriatic gem. So what are you waiting for? Pack your bags, grab your passport, and get ready for an unforgettable journey. Thanks for joining me on this virtual adventure through Croatia. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and inspiration. And be sure to let me know in the comments below which of these Croatian destinations you're most excited to visit. Until next time, safe travels.